Hi everyone. In this video, we'll explore a new Voltamix V10 feature, which is building applications for cars. We'll cover what it is, how it's useful, and walk through a few demos to see it in action. Let's dive in.
So, Ultimex, being a multi experience application development platform, has so far been able to support applications for iOS, Android, Windows, native applications, and web applications. It supports mobile, tablet, kiosk, desktop, and even IoT and smartwatches. With this release, we are adding the ability to build it for cars. So basically, you can connect your mobile application to the car infotainment system. It works on both the Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto. You can now access with this key functionality safely while driving without having to resort to that in your mobile. You can access it from the car system, especially for scenarios like the connected worker or field services where people are on the move. This is going to be a very beneficial feature, because instead of distracting them by making them look at mobile or stuff, you can have the information like where they are going to, where the route that they have to navigate, or where is the nearest place with the best price for the fuel, or where can they park, or order food. All of this functionality they can do safely from the car application while navigating, right? So it makes it much more easier to build more engaging applications, especially for people on the move, or even everyday functionality like food ordering and EV charging such. So let's look at a quick demo. So here we are looking at a simple food ordering app. The mobile application and on the left and the car application on the right are connected. So you can literally start ordering something while you are about to get into the car, and then continue that same order once you're inside the car. They're both connected. So as you can see, you can delete something here, and you can see that refresh on the right panel as well, and you can continue to order, see where it is getting delivered, how long, and all that stuff while safely driving your car. So this is one example that might be applicable for everybody on their day-to-day life. Another thing which we all often do is searching for fuel stations, best place to fuel your car and stuff while you're on the move. So you can look for fuel stations nearby, see which one is how much deviation. You can even combine it with the AI and see which has the best fuel price and optimal route, and then you can navigate to that location from within your car application as well. So, and it can give you turn by turn navigation to go where you need to go. So this will bring about new channels as to how you can engage your customers, and we are looking forward to what you can make with this feature in your upcoming releases.
For more details, you can check out the Voltamix V10 release blog, the official documentation for this, along with training modules and additional resources, either via the QR codes on the screen or links in the description. Thank you for watching.